Welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to build this awesome security camera from my favorite game Portal. That's right. In case you missed out my live stream on Twitch, just saying in case you missed it, don't worry, I got you. Ta-da! This is the security camera. It's huge and it has this beautiful LED light on the top. You can see that. The question is, what can you do with it? That's a very good question. Of course you can activate that. There's a webcam inside, and yes, that's my room. And that's my shitty wooden chair. I need to switch that someday. Of course, as usual, you have to print all the parts, which is very boring, so we skip that and we jump right into the building process. Here are all the printed parts. As you can see, our webcam is already mounted inside and it fits perfectly. These are the smaller parts, and we also have to put these together before we can do some painting. So here again, because the model was too big, so we had to split them, and now we have to glue them together just like that. And there are many things. So it took a while to print everything, but overall I'm very happy how it turned out, and let's get started. And of course I forgot to mention how I put this webcam inside. So let's jump a little bit back. Part number 1 is done. So as you can see, our little webcam fits in perfectly, and we have the other part which goes right in front. Bam! The problem that we have is it's because of a little bit of a miscalculation, so it's gonna be glued together like this. And the main idea is to take this out anytime we want, but it doesn't work because we have no space. So, but it's okay, because we can leave it in and we don't really need the webcam anymore. If we need it, we have to open it from here. Doesn't matter. So let's glue this together. Just a little bit of glue. It's almost empty, but I think it's enough for this project at least. Make sure not to hit the webcam, because I still want to keep it alive. Is it enough? I don't know. Okay, I think this should be okay. A little bit more here. So it has to be at the center. So let's center this. Something like that. Oh yes. Oh yes. Mission accomplished. So let's leave it for now. Let me show you. Since I'm a huge fan of magnets, of course, during the design process we have to add some magnets. So in total there are 4 pieces that we can add, and we put a little bit of glue to fix that. And the next part, of course, we need to glue everything together. So the bigger pieces for the wall mount and the smaller pieces for attaching the camera. So before we start the painting, we have to add this little, I don't know what's that called, this little metal thing which stabilizes the whole, this whole camera when you attach it to the wall. And just adding some screws inside, and then we can start with the painting. So the first thing that we are gonna paint is this screw shaped thing where the USB cables are also going through the hole inside, and it's gonna be black. And we actually start with painting everything in black. So also the other part that is having this screw attachment, this is also gonna be totally in black. It takes some time because it's a huge thing. And we have also the wall mount decoration with this two little tower that is also gonna be in black. And then we can start attaching our camera together. So this little metal thing that we put previously, we can finally attach it to each other. And we fixed it with this iron ring thing that if you use a screw and you screw it together, they will just get really tight. This is just one way to, you know, make sure that the whole camera is not falling apart when we attach it to the wall. The next, the wall mount. So because we split that into several parts, and this is a huge thing and also has a lot of flat surface, what we're gonna do is to, of course, use some wood filler to fill the gaps, sandpaper it, then we can start with the painting. Now, this is not totally or entirely in black. It looks like it is black, but it's not. It's like this dark grayish thing. I, of course, mix it with white to paint it then. So black and white. And once the whole thing is completed, we spray paint everything with a layer of acrylic color just to fix the colors, you know, to make it not get off. The electronics. There's not much to do here. We add a single LED, you know, with a huge long cable so that we can move it all the way to our, you know, controlling system, whatever it is. It's actually a Raspberry Pi, but just a side note. Yes, so just add an LED, bam, that's it. Now the next best, most important part, of course, the assembling. And I'm gonna show you now the clips of my stream. I have some glue here. Okay, that should fit. Okay, now, bam. Okay, let me check again. Bam. Voila. So this goes right here inside. Does it fit? Will it fit? Yes, yes. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my god, it looks so good. Holy moly, this is so cool. Did I screw up? No. Okay, now I can attach them together. Bam. Oh my god, this is so cool. Haha. Oh my god, I had so much fun building this camera. And I just in general love these kind of projects, you know. And the only thing that we need to do now is to add 2 screws on the wall, you know, just drilling some holes in the wall, and then we can put the whole thing on it without any gluing, you know. I can detach this camera anytime. Let me show you again. Boom. And from the other angle, boom. Once again from a vlog style. So this is the camera. Look at this beauty. Look at this. It's so big. And because we have magnets inside, so we can actually detach that. So let me just do it for you guys. Just for you. So I hope my camera will not fall like this. And see? Boom. But that's pretty much it. I'm not gonna show you inside because of the cable length. I have to, you know, pull some cables out and so on. So it's a little bit complicated. So that's the camera. Look at this. Look at this. I think that's it. Thanks a lot for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed, and let me know if you have any questions regarding this project. This is not my last Portal project. I have many Portal projects going, so stay tuned. As you can see already in the background, this is gonna be my next video probably, or next video. I'm not sure when, but it's already done, and I'm still working on many of these kind of videos, and they are all connected, you know, on my Twitch stream. So feel free to drop by if you are interested in what I'm doing. So I always build this now during my stream. Thanks a lot again, and I'll see you next week.